एक ही लैंग्वेज में करो, कौन से?
English?
इंग्लिश।
Yes, sir. My name is Dr. Devanshu Patel. I am president of Parul University Goa. Parul University Goa is the first state private university of Goa, enacted under Goa Private University Act 2020. Today at Shyama Prasad Indoor Stadium, Parul University Goa had organized orientation program for second batch of students exclusively for the Goan students, and we are very proud and it is a privilege that we have around 1200 students only from Goa state who have taken admission at Parul University Goa. For Goan students, Parul University has given differential fee structure which is lower than students who come from other than Goa, and we are also happy to tell that despite of being private university, our fee structures are at par or even lower than other private higher education institution of Goa. This gives students of Goa opportunity to pursue their higher education in the state of Goa and not to migrate outside of Goa. In past years, thousands of students from Goa, they used to go in places like Kolhapur, in places like Belgaum, in places like Pune for their higher education need. But now with Parul University Goa, students of Goa can pursue courses which might not be available in Goa. For example, physiotherapy, nursing, pharmacy. The number of seats in this program are very less in Goa. Besides, we have allied health science courses like operation theatre technologies, medical laboratory technologies, and courses in technology like artificial intelligence, data science, quantum computing. So this has led to opportunity to Goan students in Goa at a cost much lower than even in the other private institutions in Goa. And besides that, all the students who take admission in Goa in Parul University, they get benefit of all the scholarship schemes of government of Goa, be it for SC students, ST students, OBC students or meritorious students. Besides this university has led to employment generation in South Goa, especially in Kepe Taluka. Today we have nearly 200 Goan staff members as our non-teaching staff members and around 60 to 70 teaching staff members. So because of university, a lot of employment generation has also happened in Goa. In years to come, Parul University Goa is going to expand. Currently we have around 2,000 students on our roll. We are gradually going to expand to 8,000 students in a span of 3 to 5 years with around 2,000 students staying in hostel. Currently, we are providing bus and transportation facility to nearly 1,600 Goan students so that they do not suffer because of lack of transportation. And we are going to increase the transportation facility which is given currently by around 40 buses to around 80 buses in time to come, so that distance does not become a limitation for Goan students to pursue their education. In and all, because of Parul University Goa, it is only the benefit which comes to the students and local people of Goa, whereby education opportunity is increased and employment is also increased, and it will also increase the economy and economical turnaround in that area, which will also lead to generation of businesses around, like more restaurants will come, more hostels will come, more public amenities will come as the students will come for education. So it is a win-win situation for Goa. Thank you.
The strength of student, how many?
So currently in first year of university, we have enrolled around 570 students. We have done the orientation program for first batch. So as of now, the total enrollments are around 1,500 students. Out of that, around 1,200 students they come from Goa. Remaining 300 students they come from outside Goa. For students who come from outside Goa, we have scheduled their orientation of 10th of August at Ravindra Bhavan, where Honorable Governor of Goa is likely to preside as the chief guest, where we will do the orientation and invite students and parents from outside Goa for getting themselves oriented. And by that time, our hostels will be ready, so all these students will also be able to stay in hostels.
Around how many Goan students got scholarship?
So, as I said, the students of Goa pay less fees than non-Goan students. So for example, typically in engineering program, if a Goan student pays 1.25 lakh fees, non-Goan student pays 1.5 lakh fees. So that's a 25,000 rupees scholarship. So you multiply with 4 years, so that is 1 lakh of scholarship. So every Goan student get this scholarship. So that the fee structure is kept lower intentionally to support Goan students.
Any of the new courses is going to start incoming?
So currently, whatever courses we have started, for example, physiotherapy, earlier there were only 2 colleges of physiotherapy in Goa. Now because of us there are 3. Pharmacy, earlier there were only 4 colleges. Now because of us there are 5 colleges. And in nursing, earlier there were 4 again because of this. We are the 5th. But in computer science like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, data science, these courses were not there in Goa earlier. So in time to come, we will come up with courses which are not in adequate number in Goa. For example, a medical college, an Ayurveda college, homeopathy college, which is available in very less number in Goa, and students have to go outside Goa for their education. So these are likely to come up in time to come.
Foreign language courses about to come.
Foreign
Language courses.
Yeah, foreign language courses also we will start in time to come. And I'm also happy to tell you, last year we had around 10 foreign national students, and this year we are expecting around 50 foreign national students to take admission. So this will be beginning of foreign education also in Goa. So not many foreign graduates, foreign students come over here to study. Of course, many people come over here for tourism purpose, but they do not come for study. So Parul University Goa is also in efforts to bring foreign students to study. Yeah.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.